Welcome to Ayan and Nourish. Today I'm making a multi-purpose face cream that we can customize into different skincare formulations. Stay with me till the end. I'll share the complete formula with exact percentages and measurements. Let's get started. First, gather and accurately weigh all your ingredients. Next, prepare phase A. Add the measured distilled water and glycerin to a clean, heat-safe container and mix well. This forms the water phase of our multipurpose face cream. Now, prepare phase B. Combine the measured sunflower oil and shea butter in a separate heat-safe container. This will form part of the nourishing oil phase of our multipurpose face cream. Next, add the emulsifier and thickener to phase B. These ingredients help bring the oil and water phase together and give our base cream its smooth, stable texture. Now heat both the water phase and the oil phase separately until around 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. This allows the emulsifiers, shea butter, and other solid ingredients to melt completely before we combine the two phases. Continue heating until the shea butter, emulsifier, and cetearyl alcohol are completely melted. Make sure both phases are uniform and at similar temperature before moving on to emulsification. Once both phases are fully melted and at similar temperature, slowly pour phase B, the oil phase, into phase A, the water phase, while blending continuously. Continue blending the combined phases for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure everything is thoroughly emulsified. As you blend, you'll notice the mixture changing from thin liquid into a smooth, creamy emulsion. At this stage, the oil and water phases have successfully come together, creating the foundation of our multipurpose cream base. Now we move into the cool down stage. Continue stirring the emulsion gently as it cools. You'll notice the cream gradually becomes thicker, richer, and more structured as the temperature drops. Once the temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius, we can safely add our heat-sensitive ingredients. Add the preservative and vitamin E, then stir thoroughly to distribute them evenly throughout the cream. The preservative helps protect our water-based formulation from microbial contamination, while vitamin E provides an antioxidant protection for the oil in our formulation. Mix everything thoroughly and our multipurpose cream base is almost ready. Now it's time to check and finalize our multipurpose cream base. Check the texture to make sure it is smooth, creamy, and uniform. Then measure the final pH. For this base, I'm aiming for a pH of around 5 to 6, which I can adjust later depending on the ingredients I choose when customizing the base. And there we have it, a beautiful rich multipurpose cream base, ready to use as it is or customized with selected actives and botanical extracts. I applied a small amount directly onto my skin. You can already see the smooth creamy texture and how easily it begins to spread. And then I massage it in and see how the formulation behaves on the skin. As I continue working it in, the cream begins to absorb beautifully, leaving the skin feeling soft, silky, and well moisturized. And here is the final skin feel without a heavy or greasy residue. This is exactly what I wanted from this multiple base, a comfortable, nourishing finish that can be customized for different skincare formulations. This base cream can be customized to create moisturizing cream, body lotion, hand and foot cream, and targeted skincare with your chosen actives and extracts. In my next formulation, I will show you how I transform this base into a soothing cream. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Ayan and Nourish. Nourish your body, glow your skin. As promised, here is the complete multipurpose cream base formula. pause or screenshot this page to save the recipe. Thank you.